Hi, I'm Yuna. Welcome to your favorite recipe. Today, I'm going to show you a very fun recipe from this cookbook, 50 ways to eat cock. So I picked soy sauce cock. I still can't say the whole full thing without laughing. It's just funny. So first thing first, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the heat. Medium high is like a safe zone for heating up our pan. So this recipe serves 6 people, and today I'm going to cut the recipe in half because I'm serving Adam, me, and my husband. But if you're serving 6 people, definitely use a full measurement that I'm going to describe below. But today, I got half of it. So I got half of 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and it's saying dissolve the sugar in the pan. Tap on the sugar to make sure the chunks are breaking off. So I got ginger here, and it's asking for 1 4-inch piece ginger cut into large slices. One trick to preparing your ginger is use the back side of your knife to peel. So I'm going to cut it into large slices. And I don't think we're gonna eat the actual ginger. It's probably there to flavor the sauce. Oh, our sugars are starting to dissolve. It's being caramelized. And I'm going to reduce the heat to low here. It's already starting to happen, so we gotta add some water. So water's in, deglazing our sugar that was like almost starting to stick. Don't worry, it'll dissolve. I'm going to add the ginger pieces in there and star anise. It's not edible, but it's definitely there to flavor your broth or any dishes that you're working with. Once you smell this star anise, actually you're going to remove them. You're not going to continue to cook these after a couple minutes or so. Szechuan peppercorn. I got this off Amazon. I could not find it at a local grocery store. So if you have a hard time, I'll also post a link down there. Half teaspoon. Szechuan peppercorn is different than regular peppercorn. When it heats the meat and when you eat it, it creates this like tanginess in flavoring. All right, on that note, where's our soy sauce? I'm gonna actually start with a half cup of soy sauce because it might be too much. And then if I need more, we can add that on. We got this Shao Xing cooking wine. I hope I'm saying that right. So I apologize to Chinese people that if I'm not saying that right. So we got 1/4 cup of Shao Xing wine here. So it looks like we have everything. We got our Szechuan peppercorn, and we got ginger, we got brown sugar, soy sauce, Shao Xing wine. So I'm going to taste the sauce before I add the chicken in. Pretty good. So while that's still simmering, we don't have a lot of bandwidth or the sauce to work with. So I'm gonna have to quickly prepare our chicken here. Cut into bite pieces. Cubes of chicken breast, even smaller. Whenever I like look over at the sauce, I'm like, okay, time ticking. I got the sense of urgency here. Of course, salt and pepper, always. And time to add our chicken. And I think the coldness of chicken breast will actually bring the temperature down. It'll stop evaporating so much. Make sure all sides are coated nicely. And cook until the chicken is done. I usually like always prepare the meat first, but this time you're making the sauce and then you're kind of cooking the sauce with it. It's like almost like soup, and it looks like it's being marinated at the same time. We have our chicken ready, so I'm going to serve this chicken on the rice that I made earlier. And you're not going to use all the sauce. You're just going to remove the chicken from the sauce. It's pretty high in sodium, so you don't want all that soy sauce concentrate on top of your rice. Oh, before I forgot, I gotta garnish this with some fresh scallions. It'll add very refreshing flavor to our savory and a little bit of spicy. Thank you for watching. And I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. When you make it, let me know how it turns out for you. and also let me know how I can improve. If you want to watch more new videos of recipes, please hit subscribe and hit the bell button right next to it for new alerts. Thank you.